In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simple yet essential steps to undo an action in Microsoft Word. Whether you've mistakenly deleted a word or made any other change you'd like to reverse, there are easy ways to rectify these actions, ensuring your document looks just the way you want it to. Let's start with the keyboard shortcut method, which is quick and efficient. Imagine you've just deleted a word by accident while working on your document. To solve this in a snap, you can press Ctrl Z on your keyboard simultaneously. This trusty shortcut is your go-to solution for undoing the last action taken within your document. It's like turning back the hands of time, restoring your content just as it was before. If you need to undo multiple actions in a row, keep pressing Ctrl and Z repeatedly. Each time you do, one more action from your editing history will be undone, retracing your steps bit by bit. Now, let's move on to the second method, using the Quick Access Toolbar, which is equally effective and comes in handy, especially if you prefer using your mouse over shortcuts. You'll find the Quick Access Toolbar at the top left corner of your Word document. It often appears as a small toolbar right above your ribbon. On this toolbar, look for a curved arrow pointing left. This is your Undo button. Simply click it to undo your most recent action. If you find yourself needing to undo multiple changes, go ahead and click that Undo arrow several times. Each click will revert one more action, allowing you to go back through your editing history step by step. Both methods are straightforward and save you from the frustration of accidental changes. While the keyboard shortcut offers swift efficiency, the Quick Access Toolbar provides a visual and intuitive way to manage your document changes. It's helpful to know both options, as sometimes a quick key press is just what you need, and other times, a simple click of the mouse is more convenient. As you become more familiar with these techniques, you'll find them incredibly useful for experimenting with changes and edits, knowing you can easily revert them if needed. So next time you're working in Microsoft Word and make an unintended change, remember these options to quickly recover your work without missing a beat.